Welcome to my channel, everyone. A few years ago, we bought 12 acres of land here in Nova Scotia, Canada, and built our off-grid cabin as a place to unplug and slow down. Now, we're making some well-needed upgrades to turn it into a warm, cozy retreat for our family. Join us as we improve cabin life one project at a time. If you enjoy off-grid living and cabin upgrades, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hey everyone! Welcome back. Another video. The cabin. The mudroom build. It's a little breezy today, minus 10. Minus 10 on the gauge there with a wind chill of 17, I think. Minus 17. I love the cold weather. I don't mind it at all. As long as I'm warm, I don't mind working in it. So it's all good. Today we're going to work on the walls a little bit, but not a bad working day. So we're going to carry on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, click the like button and comment, and I'll get back to you. Everything's cold. Tools are cold. Everything's running a little bit cold today. That's fine. Nail gun. Need that next. Come here, nailer. Come to daddy. Hard to get a nail in there. We don't need one. We'll put a hanger. Can't help having a runny nose when it's cold like this. Runny nose syndrome. 7.5. Plywood's gonna be like a kite today. I need a piece that is 25 3/4. Where does that take us here? 25 3/4. Oh, right in the center, that's pretty good. Center of them two joists, I can cut that. 25 3/4. Measure twice, cut once. Make another measurement just to make sure. I don't want to ruin a piece of plywood. 25 3/4. 25 3/4. Right on the money. Should have put one over here, I guess. I want a tight fit. Back here, little buddy. That's better. That's a lot better. I did carpentry when I was in my 20s. Now I'm in my late 50s. And it's not like riding a bicycle, sort of, but not quite. It does come back to you, but you always gotta measure twice. Let's go measure our window. See what the rough opening is of that. 14 1/4 by 32. 14 1/4 by 32. That's our window. With a little on each side so I can insulate it. Next move is to cut some of these 2x4s, square them up, lay them out, nail them on, and we're in business. Might as well do that right here. That's a nice little skill saw. Battery powered DeWalt 7¼ XR. It sure beats dragging a cord behind you. Then I had to run a generator. That would be no good. This is a lot more convenient for sure. How many did I square up here? This one too? Yeah. Whoa! That wind is chilly! Chilly, chilly! Holy frick. Freaking spot here, right on the hill where it's slippery. Eight maybe total. Jeez. Mercy. Have mercy on me. These gotta go there. Not gonna be able to nail there, am I? Shit. Shoot. That's gonna be hard. Okay, YouTube, we're looking good. Starting to look like a wall. That out there. Marteau. Take you over here, Marteau. See back in my holder. Some of them might not be exactly 4 inches, but close enough. We're not building a piano. I wouldn't know how to build a piano to start with, but we got here. Put a screw underneath there. Level it up. Little screw underneath there levels it up perfect. What do you think? 1/2 inch opening? Yeah, that sounds right. Let's do that. Let's put this inside before I break it. It's light as a feather. Okay, let's set these up. I had to put the screw underneath again. It's a little bit low. The screw seems to be the right height. I get the gun. Oh, I wish that wind would die off a little bit. It's horrible. Every day. Blow, blow, blow. Okay, let's pull this out a little bit. Enough to get that nail gun in there. I'll come a little further. I don't know if that's enough. Or not. I don't know if I can get that. With the gun, hopefully. Put the gun back here. Shoot. Not easy to get the gun there, is it? Enough room. I guess I can come out some more. Not that big a deal. Yeah, that's enough room. I gotta square that up after anyway. Driver brace on it. You're gonna need nail. Some nails. I don't think I have any on me. Oh, something underneath that too. Little screw. Just to make up the void so I don't get to hold it. Then I can push down on it and flush it up. Okay, guys. Now we got to square it up. Corner to corner. That's what we're gonna do. See what we got here. 155. 153 3/4. You gotta come this way. There's 154 1/2. 154 1/2. 154 1/2. How's that for luck? Perfect, right there. 154 1/2. I better check this again. This doesn't seem right to get it in 2 tries. Gotta come just a little bit. 154 1/4. 154 1/4. 154 1/2. I gotta go that way 1/8. 1/8 of an inch. 154 3/8. 154 3/8. Yeah, I ain't gonna get hooked on there, is it? 154 3/8. 154 3/8. Right there, guys. Perfect. Now, what I would do for a brace, because I'm not putting plywood on it, put that on there for now. Can't stand that wall today, it's too windy. That fucker move on me. 154 3/8. Fucking did too. 154 3/8. It's square. Was square. Gotta double check. Right there. I'm gonna have to screw that brace in. 2x4 would probably be better. Wish I had something longer. I don't. Do I? Don't move. That over there. That over there. There we got a brace. We're braced up. I'll put a couple more screws in her. We got them. Might as well use them. We have a braced wall. We're not going to stand it today, I don't think. We got our wall, the long wall built, guys. Did on the floor. Got some braces on it. So now we're going to might have to call it a day because it's too windy and I'm alone. And I don't think I can put that up alone in the wind. So I can cut some 2x4s. That's what I should do for the other 2 walls. That's what I might do. Let's get ahead a little bit, cut some 2x4s, and when we're back next time, we'll stand up the wall. All right. Let's get our square and square up some more 2x4. Hello, you there? Mike's gone. No mic. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Maybe you can. Maybe I'm gonna call it a day. Got quite a bit done. Got the other little piece put on the floor there, so it's all the same distance on both sides of the peak. When we put our trusses on, it's going to look half decent anyways. And we got a wall built, a long wall. So we did well today. The weather conditions is blowing a gale. -17, so we had a good day. We'll see you again real soon.